Hello Crafty Llamas, in this video I will be showing you the Symphony Wood single pointed needle set. So you get 8 different needle sizes in this set, starting from 3.5mm and ending in the 8mm. It also comes in this lovely black jacquard case, so it's kind of timeless, quite classic, so it's not really going to go out of fashion. So if I open this case, there we are. So I can't get it all on screen, so I'll show you one side. Let's go to the chunky side because it will be shown better. So in total you have your 4 sets on either side, or 4 pairs of needles on either side, and you also have a spare 2 sets of loops on either side, so you've got space for an extra 4 pairs of needles if you did want to expand your straight needle range. So let's show you what this looks like. Like so. So what you have is you have your classic, because it's hard to see the needle. You have your classic Symphony wooden finish with the classic chevron mark. On the end, the very tip of the needle here, you have your needle size kind of painted onto the top there, so you know what size needles you've got. And they are just your classic straight needles. These ones are the 30cm straight needles. Let's pop that back in. And like I said, so you've got a complete set of 8 pairs. So here you've got your 3.5mm, so that's the narrowest. So as you can tell, they've got a nice sharp tip to them, so you'll be able to kind of pick up your stitches and knit quite easily. They're the kind of standard 30cm in length. Shorter and longer needles are available if you do want them, and if I don't have them in stock, send me a message and I will get them in for you. That is not a problem. And once again, the sizes are just written on the top of the needles for each pair. As these are straight needles, it's pretty, it's pretty standard, your kind of bog standard set. So whatever you need is included in this. This set doesn't come without any accessories or cables or anything like that, because you don't need them. So this is very much just a straight up, no pun intended, set of straight needles. So these sets are excellent for beginner knitters who aren't comfortable using interchangeable needles, or people who have tried interchangeables and don't get along with them that well. These are the slightly longer version, being at the 30cm, so they're good for the slightly longer projects. You can get longer ones if you want to do things like jumpers and blankets, but these are kind of a great length for scarves, gloves, that sort of thing. They're a nice lightweight design, so whilst they are wooden, I've been informed that these are really, really good for knitters with reduced dexterity because of the warmth of the wood. It means that you'll get less cramping. I also sell the individual needles, so if you do just want to get 1 or 2 to begin with, then you are more than welcome to, or if you want to expand your set, then you can also do that with me at Crafty Llama. So that's it for my quick overview of the Symphony Wood single pointed needle set. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by commenting below and liking it. I do weekly videos, so do subscribe to my channel and never miss an update. Our social media handle is Crafty Llama UK, so you can find us on various platforms using that. If you do buy any of my products or use any of the products you bought from me in your projects, do send me a picture. I love to see what you're creating. And of course you can purchase the set that I've showed you today from my Etsy shop, which will be linked below. That's it for this week's video, but I'll be back with you next week for another one. Bye!